Hello guys, today in this video we will review Lumine organic supplements. So basically they have different kinds of supplement. So we are not going to cover their supplements in this video. We are just going to tell is this brand legit or it's just a new scam. Okay, so first of all, the brand's product is available on Amazon.com. You can see over here the same product is available on Amazon.com, and the product they are selling right now, the product are, you can say, like Too Good product they are selling right now. So in the terms of legitness, the brand is looking like legit one, but there is some problems also. And the main problem of the brand is, like you can see over here, the newly launched brand. Basically this is a newly launched brand, and the trust score of the brand is not too good. And the reason behind the trust score is subscription model, hidden charges, and the product results. So you can see over here they are listed on Trustpilot, and you can see over this is the profile, and they have approx 1000 reviews, out of which 26% is negative reviews, and most of the negative reviews is complaining like subscription model. When you buy product on their official website, there is the option subscribe and save. If you forget to untick the option, they will activate subscription on your account. So this is the first main problem of the brand. Okay, and if we talk about like the results, so basically you can choose any brand, you can buy any brand's product. Like Ned Plus, there are hundreds of brands is available in the market who are providing Ned Plus supplement. There are hundreds of brands is available in the market who providing collagen peptides. So basically when you use any brand supplement, the results will not come overnight, it will take lots of time. So you like approx 12 weeks, 8 weeks, 6 weeks, depends on supplement and depends on your requirements. Okay, so I would like to tell you only one thing: if you really want to try their supplement, yes, you can try, but don't try to take any kind of subscription. Otherwise you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. So you can do one thing: you can visit on Amazon.com, you can buy their product and you can get benefits. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.